Ito na nga ang ating 2025 list of holidays. So, abangan natin kung ano-ano ang mga idideklarang mga holidays ng ating Pangulo. Umpisahan natin sa regular holidays. So, of course, ang New Year's Day, January 1, ay declared as regular holiday. Next, Araw ng Kagitingan is declared on April 9, 2025 and will fall on Wednesday. Monday, Thursday. So this will be on April 17 and will fall, of course, Thursday. Good Friday, April 18 and will fall, hindi pwede magbago, Friday. Labor Day, May 1, ngayong Thursday. At Independence Day, this will be on June 12, will fall on Thursday. Then National Heroes Day, August 25, again will fall on Monday. Bonifacio Day, November 30, 2025, Sunday, so wala pong pasok talaga yan. Then ang Christmas Day, December 25, will be on Thursday. Ang bilis lang, halos Christmas na naman. Then Rizal Day, December 30, 2025 will fall on Tuesday. Okay, ito naman po yung mga special non-working days. So, still, ang mga araw na ito ay wala pong pasok. So, Ninoy Aquino Day, August 21, 2025 will fall on Thursday. All Saints Day Eve. So, ito yung bago yung All Saints Day. So, this will be on October 31, 2025 will be on Friday. Dito kadalasan sinasagawa yung mga Halloween party. So kinabukasan, All Saints Day, November 1, wala talagang pasok, Saturday. Then, Feast of the Immaculate Conception of Mary, December 8. That will be on Monday. So walang pasok ang Monday na yan. Last day of the year, so lagi po itong holiday, December 31, Wednesday. Next, ang Chinese New Year ngayong 2025 ay nasa weekdays, which is Wednesday, January 29. Then Black Saturday, April 19. And Christmas Eve, December 24, Wednesday. Ngayon po, may isa po tayong naipasok dito o kasama sa declared ang special working day. So hindi po siya holiday kundi working day. Ang EDSA People Power Anniversary, which will be on February 25, will fall on Tuesday. So, dati nakasanayan natin na kapag EDSA People Power, walang pasok. But then, sa mga nakaraang mga declaration, ito na po ay ginawang special working day. So, may pasok po tayo dito. Next, ang Idil Fitr at Idil Adha ay wala pa pong exact date dahil ito po ay nakadepende sa lunar calendar ng ating mga kapatid na Muslim. So kapag malapit na po ito, nagbibigay na lang po ng date. But then, ang Idil Fitr and Idil Adha ay declared as holiday. So that's it po. I hope tatandaan natin yung mga days and happy holidays sa ating lahat.